Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us imposter Christmas. Alrighty? So let's get started. It's going to be super easy. Anybody can do it, okay? Anybody. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to draw a curve right here for kind of the lens of the crewmate. Well, it's not crewmate, it's an imposter, but you know what I mean. Going to go here to the top. Going to go over here right here for the bottom of the lens. More or less just kind of a straight line. And something I do want to remind you is that you just want to be close enough. You don't have to be exact. These things are not exact science. It's just kind of, fun to do it. And as long as like the viewer has some idea of what's going on. It's a curve on that side. Gonna go downward over here for the mouth. I'm already gonna start, getting to the imposter part of this. So we're gonna pull down over here, pull back across, pull up. Down over here. Line out. Let's go over here on this side. Down here, up. Down here, up. For the teeth. And the reason I want those teeth kind of, I don't know, some seems really creepy about having those teeth like that. They're not quite triangles, but they're kind of flat at the end. They're like triangles with flat at the end. Let's go over here now. Down here, up. Down here, up. Down here, up. Down here, up. Here, up. Down here, up. And there's a little bit of a line right here because there's some skin that lizards have when they open their mouth. And I see it a lot on the imposters when they draw them that way, Down over here. The end of the mouth right there. And then we're going to pull down, curve, up right here, but not all the way. Before we continue that, we're going to go into this area right here again, and we're going to do the bottom row of teeth, okay? So it's going to be real simple, like I said. And we're almost done already, which is wild, right? Don't forget to pick up an ebook, by the way, if you like learning how to draw something cute. I know that something that a lot of you guys like doing is drawing cute things, right? Taking characters, making them up, or taking characters already exist, or taking like people and making them cute characters. Basically, there's an ebook that that I have, and it is 10 pages, and it goes over kind of like the proportions of cute, because that's the most important thing, right? Usually, a cute character has a larger head and a smaller body, but how large, right? How large? Is it chibi head, like chibi proportions? Is it more generic cuteness? And I go through all that in little charts. It's all visual for you to just look at, and it's made to print. The other thing is it gives you like little choices on what kinds of hands to use. Do you use little nubs? Do you use little spoon hands like in Animal Crossing? There's a page of that. There's a page of feet, arms, all that stuff. Easy. It makes it the easiest it could ever be, and it's 100% free. It's 10 pages. There's like no writing. I think there's one page of writing, but there's basically no writing, and it's meant to be something you can look at on your phone for reference, or you can print out. Like I said, it's made to print as well. So go pick one of those up while it's free. It's in the description right now. Go get it, before I start charging for it. But yeah, go pick it up. It's just something. All right, we're gonna go over here now. We're gonna draw a line underneath. And now we're going back to the teeth. Same thing, line up, out, down, up over here, 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 out, down. And there's no number of amount of teeth. I'm just kind of, giving it some space and taking it to the very end. And you could, I should vary up the size and length of the teeth more, but you don't have to do that. But it would be nice to do that. All right. Let's go over here, and I'm going to draw, let me see, maybe a line over here. And I'm going to draw a tongue sticking out of the mouth there. And I'm going to pull it back here and, just kind of follow it along of where it ends up. And around here, I want to draw maybe some dark, because at that point it's deep into the mouth. So light won't be hitting it. So I'm going to throw a little dark over here, and I, kind of urge you to do the exact same thing. All right. Again, we're almost done. So I want to go over here into the lens and curve line for make it look reflective. Circle right here, make it look reflective, all right? Go over here, downward, curve to the back. All right. A little bit of a forehead right there. And I'm gonna see where the back of the head's gonna be because I want it to be around there. And down right here. Over here now, we're gonna do the backpack. Outward right there. Down, and it's gonna hit to this point, like his waist right there. All right, so far so good. So let's bring in the Christmassy part of this. Okay, Christmassy part of this is gonna be the hat. So I'm gonna draw a little bubbly shape aiming downward. Right there. Over here on this side. Over here on this side. Right there. It's basically like imagine like a little wig, right? Like a square cloud. Right there. Square cloud is really going to help out. Let's go over here now. Do the rest of the hat. Out over here. It's funny because it's only the Christmas one I did because I did a Christmas crewmate, but I haven't drawn a Christmas imposter, which I thought was interesting. Let's fill this in over here, make it a little bit darker. Right. Extend it a little bit more downward. Gonna go over here, up, and line over here. Okay. And then the last thing really would be the little ball at the very end of the tip of the hat, right? It's a little cloud. That's kind of like the way I do it. I might throw in another little fold right there on the hat because it's kind of creasing as it goes over, but you don't really have to do that. It's kind of up to you. Honestly, I might even throw in a little bit more dark, but all this stuff is extra. It's superfluous. You don't need to do it. I could put a little dark right here as well to show that, the mouth has a little bit of depth to it. I'm trying to something like that. So thank you so much. Please share the video if you enjoyed it, if you thought it was easy to do it. Share the video with anybody you know. And yeah, let's move on to the next drawing lesson. So I want you to stay there. Let's move on to another drawing lesson, all right? So let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.